In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to Notion. If you're brand new to Notion or just polishing your workflow, this simple method will help you attach documents, images, and other files right where you need them without breaking your focus. First, open any page in Notion and move to an empty line. An empty line is just a blank spot on your page where no block is yet created. If you don't see one, press Enter to create a new line so you're starting with a clean slate. This makes sure Notion knows you're adding something new rather than editing an existing block. Now, type / followed by the word File. That's File. And press Enter. Notion will create a file block instantly. Think of a file block as a container that lives inside your page and holds your attachment. Using the / command keeps your hands on the keyboard and is one of the fastest ways to work in Notion, especially as your pages get more complex. From here, you have two clear choices to add your content. If the file lives on your computer, click Upload. This opens your system's file picker so you can select exactly what you need. Common formats like PDFs, images, and documents work well. For smoother uploads, it helps to keep file names clear and file sizes reasonable. If your workspace has plan-based upload limits, smaller files will move faster and save space. Alternatively, if your file is hosted online, paste the web link directly into the file block to embed it. This is great for resources that change over time or are meant to be viewed in the browser. Make sure the link is accessible to anyone who needs it. If the link is private or restricted, others in your workspace may not be able to open it. When supported, Notion will generate a helpful preview so you can quickly recognize what you've added. If the File command doesn't appear, double-check that your cursor is on a truly empty line. Some workspaces also have permissions that limit uploads, so if you run into a roadblock, check with your admin or review your plan settings. That's all there is to it. Start on an empty line. Create a file block with File, then either upload from your computer or paste a web link to embed. It's quick, consistent, and keeps your important documents right alongside your notes and tasks. If you found any value in today's video, hitting like really helps others discover this content. We're always looking to grow, so drop a note in the comments. Tell us what helped or what you'd like to see improved. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.